Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred. Please try again when you're trying to log into Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, it's super easy fix. What you need to do here is to use VPN. So for example, Opera GX, Microsoft Edge, I believe it has installed free VPN to your browser if using PC or phone. All you need to do here is to press here, then press on the gear icon, and then here you just need to write VPN. Press enter and enable VPN, and then try to log in with a VPN enabled. Also, if you have no possibility to download Opera GX or Microsoft Edge, probably you have your mobile data. So try to switch to another maybe Wi-Fi network, or try connecting to, for example, using your phone hotspot. Just change your network and you'll be good to go. So yeah, so this is few examples, VPN, hotspot, try changing to these settings, and then try to log in and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.